Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to install your Python on Windows 11. So as you can see here in my Visual Studio Code, I am opening the Windows command prompt. I can also do that directly, but I choose to do it this way. Now I can also select other terminals to work with. So what I've decided to use the command prompt. Now to test if I have Python on my system, I am going to type py dash dash version and hit enter. You can see it says py is not recognized as an internal or external command. Let's also try Python space dash dash version, enter, and you can see it says Python was not found. Okay, so Python is definitely not installed on this machine. So let's clear the screen. So what we will do now is we are going to open our browser, and then we type this website python.org/download, and we hit enter. All right, so it will take us to this page. Okay, so we can just scroll to these downloads and we click on Python 3.12.5. So I'm going to click here to start the download, and you're going to select the folder where you want to store it. So I'll save, and then we wait for it to download. As you can see now, it is fully downloaded. Let's see, it is fully downloaded. So we're going to click on this show in folder, and it's going to open the folder or the path where Python was downloaded. So I am going to right click on this Python, and I am going to click on run as administrator. I am going to select yes, and it's going to bring up this installation setup wizard. So I am going to mark use admin privileges when installing Python, and then I am also going to mark this add Python to path. If I also don't want to use this, I can just unmark it and use add Python to path. That add Python to path is very important because it will help us not to have issues with most of the dependencies that we'll be needing in the future. So we can go ahead and click on install now, and we'll wait for it to run the installation. So when Python is fully installed, it is going to show you this setup was successful and all this. Okay, so I can just go ahead and close this window, and let's go back to our, okay, I can also delete this file just to save space on my device. Then I can go to my terminal again, and I will type Python dash dash version. Let's see, or rather we can close up the terminal. So I can simply close this terminal and open the terminal again, and let's type Python dash dash version. Let's see, Python was not found. So I will need to, obviously I will need to reboot my system and run it again. So